Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how I made my Harmattan socks. You can also call it winter socks. It's very easy to make. You can make one for yourself. I hope you enjoy watching your video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new tutorial. So my fabric, I measured 10 inches width and 10 inches length. So my fabric is a stretchy one. When you are making your own, make sure it's stretching like this. So I have two here, 10 inches width and 10 inches length. So you open this one like this and clap this other one on it. Arrange them to be equal. So when you are done with that, you clap them together like this. Remember, our fabric is like this, back facing back. Then clap it like this. Then pick your tape rule and measure from one end 5 inches. 5 inches here. With your chalk, make a mark. Then 1 inch up and 1 inch here also. With your tape rule, connect your line. Then make an arc here like this. Just small curve like an arc. So we'll cut it out. So I am done cutting. You open your fabric like this. This one will be like this. Then this other one too. They should be facing each other like this. So I'm done arranging. We are going to sew here like this. So I will pin it so that it will be easy when I want to sew. So you pin your fabric like this. Remember, our fabric is facing each other. So I will go ahead and sew round. So I am done sewing. This is what we have. I sew from here to here. So I will notch. side. Turn the other side. Take your time to arrange it. So also, like we are top stitching now, we'll top stitch on it like this till this end. So I am done top stitching. This is what I have now. So I will go ahead and align it on their self like this. This is what we have. So I will use my chalk. So use your chalk to make like an arc here. Start from here. Then you come here. So we are going to sew like this. Like this. You can go ahead and sew now. I am done sewing. This is what I have. Look at the way I sew. I didn't sew a straight sewing like an arc sewing. Then I will trim off all this excess. Trim this excess here too. I am done trimming. This is what I have. I will turn it inside out. This is how it looks like. So our Harmattan socks is ready.